Hello everyone, today, in this lesson, we will look at steps to download the ISO file for Windows 11 version 23H2 after version 24H2 has been released. To download a Windows ISO using UUP dump, follow these steps. Navigate to the UUP dump website. On the homepage, you'll find various Windows builds categorized by channels. Search your required version and click the link. After selecting a build, you'll be prompted to choose the Windows edition and the preferred language. Make your selections and click Next. On the next page, ensure Download and Convert to ISO is selected. You can also choose to include updates by selecting the Include Updates option. Click Create Download Package. After download, extract the contents of the downloaded zip file to a new folder. In the extracted folder, locate and run the script file by double-clicking it. A command prompt window will open, and the script will begin downloading the required files from Microsoft servers. Once the download is complete, the script will automatically assemble these files into a bootable ISO. After the process completes, you'll find the newly created ISO file in the same folder where you ran the script. By following these steps, you can successfully download and create a Windows ISO in any version using UUP dump. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.